Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how you can take intraday trades based on the 9 and 26th EMA crossover. So let's get to the video. So guys, now I'll be showing you how you can take intraday trades based on the 9 and the 26th EMA crossover. So here I have them on the 5-minute time frame, which is one of my favorite time frames for intraday trades. I've tried this one, I've used this one, and it works the best for me, and also with this strategy. So over here, how do you identify which is the 26 EMA and which is the 9 EMA? I mean, in general, which is the larger EMA and which is the smaller EMA? So the EMA which moves more with price, right? Which moves more with change with price, which shows higher movement, is the smaller EMA, right? Right here, as we can see, the price fell, right? The smaller EMA, right? The 9 EMA over here is moving, it is sticking closer to the price and moving a lot with price. Okay, it's just moving. And the 26 EMA, as we can see right here, is slower and is moving slower with the change in price. We can see it right here. So the EMA which generates the buy or the sell signal is the 9 EMA. Okay, the 9 EMA, 9-day EMA right here, right? This one, as we can see, drop this down. The 9 EMA is this one. Okay, it's sticking closer to the price. So this EMA generates the buy or the sell signal. I'll be showing you how and how it generates the buy or sell signal. So when the 9 EMA cuts the 9 EMA cuts the 26 DMA from underneath it, right? This is the 26 one and this is the 9 one. When it cuts it from underneath, it generates a buy signal here, okay? And when the 9 EMA cuts the 26 EMA from above it, it generates a sell signal. All right, fine. I'll show you with examples. Get rid of this. So I'll give you an example of a buy signal generated by the 9 EMA and the 26 EMA. So let's say here, all right. Zoom in here. All right. So over here, okay, as we can see, the 9 EMA, all right, the 9 EMA has cut the 26 EMA from underneath it, all right, right here. As we can see right here, it cut it from underneath and it went above it, okay. When it cuts it, goes above it, and as we can see, it has created a very big bullish uptrend, right? The price went from, it created the sell buy signal here, and the price went all the way up till 2181 to 230. Okay, extreme bullish signal generated. So also, if you see the EMAs, okay, the EMAs, both of them act as support and resistance for the stock. Okay, as we can see here, right here, this EMA right here, the 9 EMA, is a support for this price, right? It has touched the 9 EMA so many times, right? Once, twice, thrice, thrice, a lot of times. So it acts as a support and resistance to the stock price. So the EMA, again, when it cuts the when the smaller EMA cuts the bigger EMA from underneath it, it generates a buy signal here. As we can see right here, it has generated a buy signal and has created a pretty big bullish uptrend. All right, right here, boom, right, cut it from underneath it here and created a bullish uptrend. And also the EMAs act as support and resistance to prices. So as we can see here, the 9-day EMA right here is acting as what? Is acting as a resistance to the stock, right? The stock price is not able to go above this point. It has so many times the price is hit this point, hit the 9 EMA and come back, hit the 9 EMA and come back. And as it broke out, it generated a false buy signal here, right? So again, there's no strategy is ever 100% and or 100% right, but it generated a false buy signal here, and the stock, I mean, you would have lost money here. But it generated another buy signal here and created a big bullish uptrend, right? So that's how you can take bullish trades, and how you can buy, how a buy signal is generated according to the 9 and the 26 EMA cross. So now I'll give you some examples of bearish and sell signals. So again, when the 9 EMA cuts the 26 EMA from above it, alright, when the smaller EMA in general, when the smaller EMA cuts the bigger EMA from above it, it generates a sell signal, as we can see right here. Well, as we can see right here, if you would have shorted this stock from around 226, all right, at 10:10 in the morning, all right, it generated a sell signal here. From 10:10, you could have taken a good 2%. Let's say you would have probably bought it back here again, so it would give you a good 2%, and 2% in intraday with leverage is a very good profit, and also the 9 EMA also is acting as a support, as a resistance right here, right? As we can see right here, resistance, providing resistance to the stock. So again, how did the sell signal get generated? The smaller EMA cut the 26 EMA, the larger EMA from above it, and a big bearish downtrend, which we could have caught, shorted the stock, let's say even here, and made a good 1.52%, which is good money for intraday. If we would have continued, we could have gotten, let's say, until here. And also, it acts as a resistance. The 9 EMA and the 26 EMA act as support and resistance to where the stock is heading, right? Like right here, it's a bearish trend, so the 9 EMA is providing resistance to the stock, right here. As we can see, so many times it has touched this 9 EMA and has fallen back down. This is a good trading strategy. I've used it a couple of times. I've used it around 15-20 times, and I've gotten pretty decent results. Right? I also want you guys to go and backtest all these strategies which I tell you on my channel before actually putting real money, because you could have some serious losses, and nobody likes losses. Everybody likes tendies. Nobody likes losses. Am I right? So backtest all the strategies before actually going and just putting your money in the real market. Okay, so another buy signal here. Look, the 9 EMA acting as a support, right? See the right here. Okay, 9 EMA acting as a support. A buy signal generated here. All right, a buy signal generated here at 9:20 a.m. All right, the 26-day got cut from underneath it. Buy signal, big bullish uptrend. All right, this is a pretty, let's say if we would have caught it here, it's a pretty big bullish uptrend. We could have 1.5%. We could have, or whatever target you keep. 1.5% is a good target. Small gains is better than targeting for big gains. Small and consistent gains, instead of trying to double your money every day. That's not how trading works. A good 1% target you can keep and achieve. And also, the 9 EMA is providing support to the stock, strong support to the stock, as we can see here, right? And by around 1 at 1 in the noon, it broke the 9 EMA and created a sell signal here, right? Again, you could have shorted this, let's say here, and made a decent gain. Right? It completely depends on what time of a trader are you, early or mid or whenever. So this is how the 9 and the 26 EMA crossovers work. It's a pretty good indicator. I mean, it's a pretty good strategy. I want you guys to back test it. Back testing is very important. Don't go and just put real money in it. That would be stupid. First, back test it if it's working for you. If it's working for everybody has different targets in one day. So if it's working for your target, yeah, back test it first, and then you put some real money. All right, again a sell signal here. Right, big bearish downtrend, sell signal, support. All right, we could have caught this and made a pretty decent gain here. Let's say if you would have shorted even here, a good 0.5%, decent gain with leverage, pretty decent gain. All right, a buy signal generated here. So now I want you guys to just pick random stock and backtest this strategy. All right, if it works for you, great. If it doesn't, well, I'll make more. I'll try to make every single trading strategy which exists. So yeah, all right, go and backtest this. It's a pretty good strategy. Hey guys, so that was it for this video. If you guys have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.